How to fix high memory and disk usage in Windows? First step, open run, type service.msc, click OK. Scroll down and search for sysmain service. Click it, right click, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. One more time right click and restart it. Once the restart complete, after close it. Next step, open run, type sysdm.cpl, type it and click OK. A pop-up will appear, system properties, click advanced option, under performance click settings. In this enable adjust the best performance. Once enabling, after one more time click advanced option, click it. Under virtual memory click changes, enable automatic manage paging file size for all drives, enable it. Click OK in the bottom side, click apply and OK and restart your device. Once the restart complete, after search for run and type the following text mdsched.exe, click OK. Check your computer for memory problems, choose reset now and check for problem. Come to next step, search for command prompt, right click, click run as administrator and type the following text sfc space / scan now, click OK and wait for some time. The verification is ongoing. Once the verification is complete, after exit it and move on with next step. Search for Windows security, click it, click virus and threat protection, click quick scan. The scanning is ongoing. Wait for some time. Once complete, after check if there is any threat or found or not. The next step, open task manager, click startup apps. Need to search for startup apps. If you are not using any application, means you can disable it. Important note, don't disable the inbuilt application. Click it and disable it. And the last and final step, open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Minimum you have a 10 to 20 GB free space is recommended. Successfully scanned, close it. Check device. If the problem still remains, then the final solution is you need to check your hard disk, whether you are using SSD or HDD. You can go to task manager and click the performance and you can check the disk. Here I am using SSD. If you are using HDD, means you need to change the hard disk to SSD. It will give better performance. Thank you.